morning, sir. Myself Satyanarayan Bosagar, roll number 120C0050. I'm a second year student of civil engineering in IIT Rourkela, and I have been assigned question number 3.9. So I'm going to explain it today. Well, the statement of the problem is determine difference in level between two stations A and B. Reciprocal vertical angle have been observed as 6 degree 32 minutes 58.3 seconds from A to B and minus 6 degree 33 minutes 36.7 seconds from B to A, and horizontal distance is 1411.402 meters, and we have to compute the corrected vertical angle along with the coefficient of refraction and the correction of the earth curvature and atmospheric refraction. And the elevation of B is, if the elevation of A is 116.73 meters. And here mean radius of arc is taken as 6383.393 kilometers. Let's come to the fundamentals associated with the problem. Here is the trigonometric leveling. It is the indirect method of leveling in which the difference of elevation of points is determined from the observed vertical angle and the measured distance. The angle of elevation is angle from between horizontal line and line of sight, and angle of depression is angle from the horizontal downward to an object. We have to know the diagram clearly in order to understand trigonometric leveling. Here the diagram is given. So here shows stations A and B whose height is to be established by reciprocal observation from A onto signal at B and from B onto signal at A. Vertical angles alpha angle of elevation and beta angle of depression are measured at A and B respectively. The refracted line of sight will be inclined to the direct line AB, and therefore the tangent to the refracted line of sight makes an angle nu with AB. Here shows the diagram here. The vertical angle alpha is measured with respect to the tangent and to the horizontal at A. Similarly, from B the angle of depression beta is measured from the horizontal to the tangent to the line of sight. The point C here lies on the arc through A, which is parallel to the mean sea level surface. Here the diagram clearly shows that D is the periodical distance between A and B, and deduced from the coordinates of the 2 points. Angle BAC between AB and chord AC is related to the angle theta between two verticals at A and B, which meet at the arc center, since AC makes an angle of theta by 2 with the horizontal at A. The correction of curvature and refraction at A and B is here theta by 2 minus nu, and this refers angle alpha and beta to chord AC and BD respectively. Thus angle of elevation here BAC alpha plus theta by 2 minus nu, and angle of depression DBA equals to beta minus theta by 2 plus nu. Since AC is parallel to BD, so BAC equals to angle BAC equals to angle DBA. So we can add those BAC plus DBA angle equals to alpha plus theta by 2 minus nu plus beta minus theta by 2 plus nu. So 2 BAC equals to alpha plus beta, BAC equals to alpha plus beta by 2 equals to DBA. BC equals to AC tan alpha plus theta by 2 minus nu. In the previous slide we know the value of beta, so del H equals to AC tan alpha plus beta by 2. So HB equals to HA plus del H equals to HA plus AC tan alpha plus beta by 2. The coefficient of refraction K in terms of the angle of refraction nu and the angle theta subtended at the center of spheroid by the arc joining the station is given by k equals to nu by theta. So let's come to the solution part. Triangle AEO, we have chord AC equals to 2 into r plus HA sin theta by 2. For all practical purpose, we can take chord AC equals to arc AC equals to D into r plus HA by r. Here HA is negligible as compared to r, so we can neglect it. Chord AC equals to D. So sin theta by 2 equals to A by AO, chord AC by 2 by r equals to D by 2r. So you can put the value here, 1411.402 by 2 into 6383.393 into 1000. So theta by 2 we can compute as 22.8 seconds. We don't have to find theta value here because we required as theta by 2 as later. The observed angle of elevation alpha equals to 6 degree 32 minutes 58.3 seconds. The observed angle of depression beta equals to 6 degree 33 minutes 36.7 seconds. It is given in the question. So first part is we have to find correct vertical angle. So alpha plus beta by 2. So 6 degree 32 minutes 58.3 seconds alpha value plus 6 degree 33 minutes 36.7 seconds beta value by 2 equals to 6 degree 33 minutes 17.5 seconds. We know alpha plus beta by 2 equals to alpha plus theta by 2 minus nu. So nu equals to alpha plus theta by 2 minus alpha plus beta by 2. So we found the value as 3.6 seconds. So coefficient of refraction k equals to nu by theta. So k equals to 3.6 by 2 into 22.8 equals to 0.079. Combined correction for curvature and refraction equals to minus 3 by 7 d square by r. I think it's the value of combined correction for curvature and refraction is about 0.06728 d square. So the value we can put here minus 3 by 7 into 1.411402 whole square into 1000 by 6383.393. So the value is minus 0.134 meters. The last part we have to find out elevation of B. We have the difference of level in A and B is given by del H equals to AC tan alpha plus beta by 2. We had this prior information in theory part. I think it is in fourth slide. Yeah. So del H equals to AC tan alpha plus beta by 2. So AC equals to D. So del H equals to D tan alpha plus beta by 2. So we can put the value here 1411.402 into 10 6 degree 33 minutes 17.5 seconds. Alpha plus beta by 2 value here. So here del H equals to 162.178 meter. So elevation of B equals to HB equals to HA plus del H. So HB equals to 116.73 plus 162.178. Here the del H value we have put. So elevation of B equals to 278.91 meter. Thank you and forgive me for any type of mistake.